Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02282 error in Oracle database 12c. So I already logged in as a common user called c#ascot. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now I copy pasted one SQL query. So I am going to create one sequence. Let us see what is going to happen after executing this query. ORA-02282 duplicate or conflicting order or no order specification. So what is the problem here is I have mentioned the keyword no order and order say at the same time in same SQL. Okay, so I am correcting the query now. Either it should have no order or order. Okay, so now you can see that sequence is created successfully. Okay, so this is the fix for ORA-02282 duplicate or conflicting order or no